In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files to others using Google Drive. We all know that trying to send large files via email can be a hassle due to size limitations. Google Drive offers a simple and efficient solution for sharing those massive files quickly and securely. By using your Google Drive account, you can share files without worrying about attachments getting blocked. So let's dive right in and learn how to do it step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on your Drive, you'll notice the neatly organized interface with a sidebar on the left. Here's where most of your navigation will happen. Next, you're going to upload the large file you want to share. Locate the New button, which sits prominently on the sidebar, usually in the top left corner. Clicking on it will present you with a few options. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. This action will open a file picker where you can browse the files on your computer. Navigate through your directories and select the file you wish to upload. Keep in mind that uploading large files might take a bit, depending on your internet speed, so be patient during this process. Once the file is uploaded, it will appear in the main area of your Drive. The next crucial step is to share this file with the person or group intended. First, locate the file in your Drive. Right-click on the file and select Share from the context menu. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the email addresses of those you want to share the file with. Here, you'll have the ability to adjust permissions. Look for options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose the level of access accordingly, depending on whether you want recipients to just view the file, leave comments, or have full editing rights. After setting the appropriate permissions, go ahead and click Send or Share. The recipients will receive an email notification letting them know that they now have access to the file. Remember, if you ever need to stop sharing the file or adjust permissions later, you can simply revisit the sharing settings by right-clicking the file again. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily and securely share large files with Google Drive, avoiding all the hassle that comes with large email attachments. This method is effective, keeps your files in one place, and allows you to control access with ease. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to conquer file sharing with Google Drive.